Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the questions related to chemical technology which was asked in GATE 2019 Chemical Engineering paper. The producer gas is obtained by passing air through red hot coke, thermal cracking of naphtha, passing steam through red hot coke, passing air and steam through red hot coke. So before solving this question, I would like to discuss some of the concepts related to producer gas. So mainly the producer gas consists of nitrogen and carbon monoxide. In the minute quantities, we can also find carbon dioxide and as well as hydrogen gas. When it comes to the production of the producer gas, here air and steam together injected into the furnace, and inside the furnace the following reactions will take place. The coke will be introduced into the furnace from the top. So the coke and the hot air reacts and forms the carbon monoxide. So these are the step reaction, and this is the overall reaction for the producer gas. As well as the coke reacts with the steam and forms the water gas. Okay, and the remaining ash from the furnace will be collected from the bottom of the furnace. Producer gas will be collected from here. So these are some of the concepts I would like to discuss. Now we'll move to the question. Producer gas is obtained by, now you can easily answer this question. Producer gas is obtained by passing air and steam to the red hot coke. The option D is correct. Now the next question is, in craft process, the essential chemical reagents used in the digester are. Especially for this chemical reagents, you can answer this question by referring to the page number 353 of Dryden's Outlines of Chemical Technology. When it comes to the options, we never use mercaptans and ethylene oxide, so option A is wrong. And when it comes to the option D, it's baking soda, Na2HCO3, sodium sulfide, so we never use baking soda again in the craft process, and quicklime also we don't use. Dimethyl sulfide also you don't know. So option C and D are wrong. But here caustic soda, sodium sulfide and soda ash. Soda ash is nothing but sodium carbonate, and caustic soda is nothing but NaOH. Sodium sulfide is Na2S. So these chemicals are essential chemical reagents used in the digester in the craft process. So option B is correct. The most common catalyst used for oxidation of xylene to phthalic anhydride is. So here I have given the reaction for phthalic anhydride from oxylene oxidation reaction. So this is basically highly exothermic reaction. Most common catalyst used for the oxidation of this reaction, particular reaction, is vanadium pentoxide, option B. In petroleum refining operations, process used for converting paraffins and naphthenes to aromatics is. So the correct option is catalytic reforming. We don't use the hydrocracking and isomerization reaction as well as the alkylation reaction. Most of you know what's meant by hydrocracking and isomerization reaction. I would like to give some inputs on alkylation reaction. So alkylation reactions are mostly used to produce higher molecular weight isoparaffins from light isoparaffins as well as this C3C2 olefins to produce higher molecular weight isoparaffins. So here you can see butane to form trimethyl pentane, and propene and isobutane dimethyl pentane. Alkylation process also used to produce high octane number petroleum products. Here the hydrocracking, we know that hydrocracking is mostly used to produce a smaller molecular weight molecules, and isomerization reaction also used to produce higher octane number molecule. In the isomerization reaction, we never convert this paraffins and naphthenes to aromatics. This catalytic reforming is the correct option. The combination that correctly matches the polymer in group 1 with polymerization reaction type in group 2. So here I have given here polypropylene. Polypropylene is a polymer and its monomer is propylene. So here you can observe the monomer propylene undergoes the polymerization reaction. In this polymerization reaction, propylene molecules are added and forms the polypropylene reaction. So this polypropylene is majorly formed through addition polymerization. When it comes to the nylon 6, the main uh, raw material is caprolactam. Here caprolactam undergoes into the ring opening polymerization and forms aminocaproic acid, and it again undergoes condensation polymerization to form nylon 6. If you want to know more details on the mechanism of nylon 6 formation, please visit the website. And this is the polyester formation. Polyester is formed by dicarboxylic acid, nothing but terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol, undergoes to the condensation polymerization, forms the polyester is nothing but polyethylene terephthalate. In the condensation polymerization reaction, smaller molecules like water, methanol will be released and forms the polymer. So here the water molecule, H2O molecule, is released to form polyethylene terephthalate. The combination that correctly matches the process in group 1 with entries in group 2 is, so here Wolff process, sulfide process, Solvay process and Crash process. So we all know the sulfide process and Crash process which majorly used for pulp production. And Solvay process is nothing but sodium carbonate production process from NaCl and CaCO3, sodium chloride and calcium carbonate. So here the sodium carbonate is nothing but soda ash, and Wolff process is again the acetylene production from the thermal decomposition of hydrocarbons like methane, ethane, propane and butane. So Wolff process is for acetylene production. So P is 3, Q is 4 and R is 2, S is 1. So Crash process is for sulfur mining process. So here I have given the schematic of sulfur mining process through Crash process. In this process, this superheated steam and hot compressed air injected through the pipes into the sulfur beds, sulfur deposits. So the steam melts the sulfur, and this compressed air, again this steam pushes back this molten sulfur up towards up. So we'll collect this molten sulfur along with the water. Again this molten water will be separated from this sulfur and water. Yes, that's it for this video. We'll meet in our next videos to discuss more concepts related to chemical technology as well as the gate questions. Thank you so much. Bye bye.